When I was broke, this one $20 rule completely changed how I handle money. Not because it made me rich overnight, but because it finally made saving stick. Back then, I kept telling myself I'd start saving later, when I earned more, when things felt easier, when life slowed down. But later never came, so I needed something simple, something small enough to start immediately, even when money was tight. That's when I came up with the $20 rule. Here's how it works. Every time you spend money on something non-essential, coffee, takeaway, clothes, impulse buys, you also put $20 into savings. That's it. No spreadsheets, no complicated budgets, just one rule. At first, it's annoying. You suddenly notice how often you spend. You pause before buying things you don't really need. And that's the point. The rule creates friction. It forces awareness. Spending stops being automatic because every purchase now has a second cost. What surprised me most was how quickly the savings added up. Not because $20 is a lot, but because spending happens more often than we realize. And slowly, something shifts. Saving stops being something you should do and becomes something you just do. This works because it's specific. Most people fail to save because their plan is vague. Save more. Be better with money. The brain doesn't respond to vague. It responds to rules. The $20 rule is easy to remember, easy to follow, and easy to repeat. Over time, the habit becomes stronger than the rule itself. Eventually, I didn't even need the rule anymore. Saving became automatic. And once that habit is built, you can increase the amount, automate it, or adapt it to your income. The point isn't the $20. The point is starting before you feel ready. Because the people who get ahead aren't the ones waiting for perfect conditions. They're the ones who build systems when things are uncomfortable. If you're struggling to save, try this for 1 week. Every non-essential purchase comes with $20 saved. Simple, uncomfortable, effective.